Okay, so now we will move towards our very first segment, ladies and gentlemen. That is the rapid fire round. Okay, and Rushika, here you have to make sure that the questions are rapid and full of fire. So, okay, so get up for your very first question, and it is okay. So the first question says, if Rushika from D3 meets Rushika from Ye Teri Galiya, what would they talk about?
Both of them are completely different. I mean, Sharon from D3 and Puchki from Ye Teri Galiya. Sharon would be like, "What the hell, Puchki? What do you think of yourself?" Because Sharon is this attitude. She's a diva, and Puchki is like,
Yeah.
she's a full of sacrifice. मतलब वो हमेशा दूसरों के बारे में सोचती है. A lot of qualities they don't match at all. Firstly, they don't match at all. But
Okay.
अगर दोनों एक दूसरे को मिलेंगे तो I don't know क्या बोलेंगे, but definitely एक ये होगा. One is full of I think एक dance battle हो सकता है दोनों के बीच में, because Puchki was a Kathak dancer and Sharon used to do contemporary. एक dance battle होगा Puchki और Sharon के बीच में. That can happen.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so the second question says, now since you're an actor as well, so one actor or dancer whom you can watch for hours and hours performing on the stage or on the screen or anywhere. Like you can just sit and spectate their performing for hours.
Ritik.
Okay.
Ritik Roshan.
Like Ritik's dance or Ritik's acting, because he's well known for both.
Like I still remember कोई मिल गया का वो scene जिसमें उनकी साइकिल को तोड़ दिया जाता है, and then he's there and he's crying. So like literally it makes me also cry. And then his dance bang bang wala to pare. So I can watch him for hours.
Okay. Okay, so Rishika, if you get a chance to become an housefly, whose wall would you like to land upon? Like किसी की आपको अगर सीक्रेटली अगर आपको किसी को ऑब्जर्व करना है तो आप किसकी दीवार पर मक्खी बन के बैठना पसंद करेंगे?
अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, वेरी नाइस. अगेन द आंसर्स. सो मैं मक्खी बन के उनके वॉल पे बैठना चाहूंगी.
ओके. मतलब यू नो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि मक्खी बनने से ज्यादा अगर आप उनसे डायरेक्टली जाके बात करें, बिकॉज़ नाउ आई गेस ही इज सिंगल. सो
I might just faint. I don't think so मैं कुछ बोल भी पाऊंगी. I might just faint.
अच्छा, okay. So the fourth question is, 3 things that you have which rest of your contemporaries don't.
3 things which I have. I feel I have a lot of energy sometimes. I am over energetic. मतलब कभी-कभी मेरी energy को control करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. And I am over emotional you can say. And I feel I am very creative in a lot of things. ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
Okay. So ये 3 चीजें ऐसी है जो आप सोचते हो कि आपके अंदर है लेकिन आपके कंटेम्परेरीज के अंदर नहीं है, राइट?
मैं ऐसे नहीं सोचती. मैं सोचती हूँ कि मेरे अंदर है, बाकी I just feel सबके अंदर होंगी, but मेरे अंदर मुझे लगता है कि ये 3 चीज है जिसके मतलब that I am confident about. So yeah.
Okay. So the next question says, okay, so one untapped challenge that you discovered during this lockdown which you were completely unaware of. एक कोई ऐसी बात जो आपको पहले नहीं पता थी लेकिन लॉकडाउन में you explored it.
Sorry. Okay, मुझे पता नहीं था कि नान कैसे बनाते हैं. So the first time I'm very bad at cooking. But not bad. I've not even tried how to cook. This is the first time I made naan. मैंने नान पे जंप किया है. रोटी वोटी तो ठीक है चलो, पर मैंने नान एंड वो तवे पे जब आप नान डालते हो फिर उसको उल्टा करके you have to do this. So I felt that is my talent. That I can make good naan. What I discovered during lockdown. पकाओ है, but yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the next question, it is not a question actually, but here you have to give dare to the following people. आपको सारे लोगों को dare देना है. I'll be like calling out few people and you have to think कि आप इनको कौन सा dare देना पसंद करोगे. So the first person is Shantanu Maheshwari.
उनको मैं क्या dare दूंगी? मैं वैसे तो वो बहुत शांत ही रहते हैं. मैं उनको बोलूंगी बिकॉज ही इज वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, तो उनका डेयर ये होगा कि पूरे दिन आपको एक पूरा दिन बस सोना है, बिस्तर से उठना ही नहीं है, ना कुछ काम करना है ना कुछ करना है, बिकॉज आई फील एज अ पर्सन ही इज वेरी मच लाइक वो बहुत बिजी रहते हैं अपने में, एंड ही एंड सो मुझे लगता है कि हर एक दिन उनका एक ही इज ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग न्यू, सो मुझे उनको ये डर देना कि आप एक पूरा दिन बस लेटे रहे, कुछ भी ना करे, सो मैं देखना चाहूंगी ये अगर आपसे होता है या नहीं होता है.
Okay, okay. Next is Avinash Mishra.
अविनाश अविनाश को क्या डेयर दूं? अविनाश को बोलूंगी थोड़ा कम सोया कर because on the, half the time he used to sleep in his makeup room. उसको मैं डेयर दूंगी खाना. I want him to go on a diet, so he is very foodie. Yeah, he can go on a diet.
Okay. The next person is Salman Khan.
यार उनको मैं कोई दूंगी.
कोई ऐसी चीज जिसमें आप इमेजिन करना चाहोगे सलमान, कोई भी ऐसी हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन या ऐसा कोई सिनेरियो जिसमें आप इमेजिन कर दो दैट यू नो इफ यू हैड सलमान खान डूइंग दिस एंड इट वुड बी रियली ग्रेट, ऐसा कुछ भी.
Sing, sorry, not to sing.
Not to sing. Okay. Okay, so the next person is Kangana Ranaut.
Yeah, I would like. She is doing completely well. For me to give her a dare is like. Yeah, no dare for her. Yeah, she's the queen. I feel.
Okay. Okay, so the next is like either or. I'll be giving you two things and you have to choose one thing out of it. Okay, so the first question is acting or dance. You have to choose any one out of acting or dance.
नहीं हो पाएगा यार, both. एक तो नहीं होगा इसमें से.
Okay. Second is ये तेरी गलियां और D3.
यार तुमने मुझे मरवाओ मत. Okay, I would because it happened for the first time, so D3. That does not mean that ये तेरी गलियां was not good, but हाँ. Yeah.
Okay. Third one is makeup or phone. One thing if you are asked to sacrifice, what would? Okay.
I would. No, I would be makeup. Sacrifice the makeup because phone is what that we can't do without. Yeah.
True. Very true. The fourth one is Brushika the actor or Brushika the dancer. Which one would you choose? Come on,
I would choose
one. Like we want one.
I would choose dancer.
Okay. Like, is it because because dance gave you your first because of dance you landed into the 80? It's like, is that the reason maybe?
It's not that, but I feel that is the thing. Even if I'm not connected to it itna zyada, but that is the thing that which makes me happy, and I don't want to quit any day. So yeah, that would be always there in my life.
Okay. So now you have to give some alternative career choices to the following people. Okay. All of them are public figures already. The first one is Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Any alternative careers?
No, yeah, he's an amazing actor. I don't think so. I would want to see him doing something else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Second one is Hrithik Roshan.
He can be a very good choreographer as well.
Okay. Third one is Kuwar Amar.
Amar sir. Not a career thing, but like dogs. So something related to that.
Okay. Next one is Shantanu Mahesh.
Shantanu. He could be a stunt person because since he won Khatron Ke Khiladi, so
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Next one is Shakti Mohan.
Shakti. Yeah, I मतलब इतना. She can be a yoga instructor or something as well.
Okay. Sounds interesting. Next one is John Abraham.
Model. He was a model, but now he's an actor, so he
Yeah.
can definitely be. Usme he could have done.
Okay. So clap for yourself. This was one of the most sassiest rapid fire sessions I've ever had. So I am not able to clap for yourself. It would be better that if you clap for yourself. Okay.